Thanks for joining me with this video. In today's video, I'll take you through how I cleared my AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification in just 4 weeks with a complete full-time job. In today's video, I'll take you through all the sections. By following it, you can definitely pass this certification very easily. So let's start. Section is about understanding the certification. AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification tests your knowledge and abilities for creating cost and performance optimized system, your familiarity with different of the AWS services, your hands-on knowledge on designing highly available and resilient system. Second section is about prerequisites. The first prerequisite for this is you must pass AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. The second one is you must have basic knowledge of AWS services and their operations. The third one is you must have familiarity with different cloud computing concepts. This section is about timeline, how I completed my certification in just 4 weeks. I'll be defining whole of the breakdown structure. First of all, in first week I have followed a course that I bought from Udemy. If you are unable to spend on this certification, I'll paste the link in description section of this video of my notes that you can follow, and I guarantee you can pass it without buying any course. In second week, I have followed all the lab exercises of the concepts of the different services that are covered in this course. In third week, I have attempted some brain dumps and mock exercises. I'll be pasting the links also. And in fourth week, I have visited different of the AWS community forums and blogs, and I'll follow all of my concepts that need to be revised, and the concepts that I thought those are the ones that I'm lagging. I followed all of those and gave a final touch and booked my exam. Section 4 is about exam overview. The level of this certification is Associate 1. The length of the exam would be 130 minutes. You can have extra 30 minutes if you are non-native English country. Then the cost for this certification is 150 USD including all the foreign exchange rates. Section is about exam topics. Like I'm in my certification exam, I'd be distributing all of these domains in 5 sections. The first one is designing highly available systems. The second one is designing resilient systems. The third domain was related to designing different of secure and cost optimized systems. The fourth one was familiarity with well architectured framework, and the last but not the least is designing highly available, scalable and fault tolerant systems. Last section is about exam day tips. If you have booked your exam in a test center, then better is to arrive 30 minutes early there. Read the instructions that appear on the front welcome screen carefully. Manage the time for all the answers accordingly, and if you are unsure about an answer, then flag that question, and at the end of this exam you can review that. The another aspect is if you are attempting this certification online from your home, from your office, then first of all you need to run a software that's being provided by Pearson View. uh, you can say 2 or 3 days before the exam, and just make sure all of the prerequisites are met. And on the exam day, just 30 minutes, or for cushion period 40 minutes before the exam, log into that software, make sure all the services and prerequisites are met, and you are ready to set. If you have booked a 30 minutes extra accommodation, then you will have almost 3 minutes for each question. Manage your time for each question accordingly, and the most important tip is there will be almost 4 to 5 multiple choice answers. Then all of those would be quite similar. You have to choose the most appropriate one. First of all, try with a contradiction approach. First of all, make sure which answers are incorrect according to your knowledge or study. Mark them, those would not be a correct one. then at the end it would be just one or two answers, like that would be the right one. Just pick up the one that's most suitable one, and never ever pick the one that's complex and involving different of the services and to achieve their goal. AWS, make sure AWS is supporting performance cost optimized system. Make sure you are not selecting a system that's creating an overhead in terms of cost or performance, or it's not resilient. Final conclusion: AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Level Certification will define your capabilities and expertise in designing highly available, cost optimized, resilient systems, and your familiarity with different of the AWS services. If this video is helpful for you guys and you are facing any type of blockers in preparation, exam guide, or anything, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply to all of the comments. And good luck with your certification. Creating different videos for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification that you don't have to pay for any of the courses or materials from web. You can follow all of these videos and definitely you're gonna succeed in this certification.